Welcome to BVG Automotive. Here we present you the 2018 BMW 5 Series 520d M Sport Auto in a stunning white exterior with an aggressive M Performance styling kit. Moving to the side, the 19-inch M-Lite double-spoke alloy wheels, 664M, perfectly complement the M Sport body styling. The high-gloss shadowline exterior trim and sun protection glazing add a premium touch. At the rear, you'll find the M rear spoiler, twin chrome exhaust tips, and a sculpted bumper, completing the performance-inspired look. Plus, the reversing assist camera and parking sensors make maneuvering effortless. Powered by a 2.0L diesel engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it delivers the perfect balance of power and efficiency, while the M Sport suspension ensures precise handling and a smooth ride. This car includes a free 12-month MOT, 3-month warranty, and is HPI clear. This BMW boasts signature kidney grills with active airstream and full LED headlights, giving it a bold and commanding presence. The M Sport Aerodynamics front bumper enhances its sporty appeal. The BMW 5 Series features a sleek, aerodynamic design with a high-gloss roof and sun protection glazing for a premium look. Stepping inside, this BMW offers a refined and luxurious interior. Also features a premium door panel with soft-touch materials, featuring black Dakota leather seats with exclusive stitching, a digital cockpit, and ambient lighting to enhance the driving atmosphere. Stay connected with BMW Professional Navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, and DAB radio, all accessible through the 10.25-inch touchscreen display and iDrive touch controller. The BMW 5 Series offers a spacious and comfortable rear cabin with premium black Dakota leather seats, ample legroom, and rear climate control vents for personalized comfort. It also offers ample rear storage for added convenience. We offer nationwide delivery, part exchange, and competitive finance options. Viewing by appointment only. Contact us today at 0161-399-1629 or visit bvgautomotive.co.uk to secure this incredible BMW 5 Series.